We are talking about parallelograms, and we want to recognize and apply the properties of the sides and angles of parallelograms, and we want to recognize and apply the properties of the diagonals of a parallelogram. So here we have number one. Math is a parallelogram. Find the values of V, W, X, and Y. State which parallelogram property you use to find each. So we have this drawing over here, parallelogram math, and we have those values that we need to figure out. So let's kind of look and see which one are the easy ones to notice. And we notice that W is pretty straightforward because we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So we can say that W is equal to 15 because of opposite sides are congruent. So opposite sides are congruent right there. We can also say that the measure of angle Y should be pretty straightforward. So if we mark this angle here, and we mark this angle here, so those are the same. So the measure of angle Y is equal to 55 degrees. And why is that? Because opposite angles are congruent. So we have two of them marked down. We still have to find V, and we still also have to find X. Okay. So we can find X because consecutive angles add up to 180 degrees. So we can say 180 degrees minus 55. Minus 55 degrees is equal to 125 degrees. And the reason we're able to do that is because consecutive angles are supplementary. Next one. So we know that measure of angle X is equal to 125 degrees. The next one that we have is we have V, and this is the same idea. So opposite sides are congruent. So we'll put 3 marks here and 3 marks here. So if opposite sides are congruent, we can set this up where we can say 2V plus 8 is equal to 6V minus 12. So we can add 12 to both sides of the equal sign, and our 12s cancel, and we're left with 2V is equal to 20. Oh, I'm sorry, 2V plus 20 is equal to 6V. Would like to subtract 2V from both sides. So our 2V's cancel, and we're left with 20 is equal to 4V. And then the last thing, we can divide both sides by 4, and our 4's cancel. So we're left with 1V on the right side, and that's 5 equals V. And the reason we're able to do that is because opposite sides are congruent.